Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side, you have 22-inch chrome wheels wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Running boards on the side, inside leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Your second row seats are heated seats. You have a rear facing entertainment center and a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here, and a heated steering wheel. Full touch screen that includes your stereo. Dual climate controls as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tahoe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.